A failing flapper valve from calcium buildup will cause slow leaks that quietly waste water and raise bills. Calcium deposits form on the flapper seat and hinge, preventing a tight seal, so you will see water slowly trickling into the bowl or rising to the refill level after a flush. Inspect by adding a few drops of food coloring to the tank and waiting 5 minutes to see if color appears in the bowl, which confirms a leak. Check the bowl rim and siphon jets for continuous drips or steady streams, because mineral buildup can redirect flow and keep water running where it should not. Lift the flapper and run your finger along the seat and the flapper face to feel for gritty crust or hard raised areas that stop soft rubber from sealing. If the flapper surface compresses unevenly or shows cracking, replace it. Clean light calcium with white vinegar soaked on a cloth or a short soak to dissolve deposits. But be careful, because extended exposure to strong acids can damage rubber parts. For stubborn buildup, remove the flapper assembly and soak in vinegar for an hour, then scrub gently with a soft brush. When replacing parts, choose materials rated for mineralized water such as silicone or high-grade elastomer flappers, and adjust chain length so there is only slight slack when the flapper rests to avoid partial lifts that cause slow leaks. For persistent or hard water problems, consider swapping to a canister valve which seals over a wider area and uses a solid cap instead of a small rubber disc, so it resists localized calcium packing and maintains a uniform seal. Common mistakes start with assuming discoloration equals malfunction without testing, so people replace parts unnecessarily instead of performing a dye test to confirm an actual leak. Another frequent error is over-tightening or misaligning the fill valve or flapper hardware, which prevents proper seating. Make small adjustments and test after every change. People also try harsh scraping to remove calcium, which gouges the seat and ruins sealing surfaces. Opt for chemical soaking that is safe for rubber, or replace the seat if damaged, so you restore a flat, smooth surface. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors experienced in toilet diagnosis and repair, and provides project pages where we share practical how-to guides on leak prevention. Our site also connects contractors with nearby work and hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips and troubleshooting advice.